Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel EzyMentor. So today our first topic is about string. We know that string in Python is used to represent a Unicode character values. And we can say a single character is also considered as a string. Example, if we can tell that my name, Christy, it's a string. Or a single character, EzyMentor, it's a string. Okay, these are the examples for string. To denote string, we write string inside double quotes or single quotes. We should write a variable name, then give equal to, and should write the string inside single quotes or double quotes. Also, to take the values or to access the values in string, we should give index numbers inside square brackets. These are some of the main important things that we know about string. So, let us start how to perform string in Python. For that, give the code assign variable name as string and inside single quotes give name EzyMentor. This is a string. Let's just run the code and see what will happen. Yes, just run the code, and if you want to see that again, that in output of this, just enter and give string once more and run the code. So Python read that string is equals EzyMentor, which means we given the variable name as string and it is equals EzyMentor. So Python calls string as EzyMentor. Next, to get the letters from inside the string we defined. Example, if we want M from the string, we need to see like that. So we just need to write a code that string, then square brackets, inside square brackets give 4, then run the code. Yes, Python read string 4 number as E. Let us check. In Excel, I have written EzyMentor, which I have defined in Python, and these are the index numbers. For E, the index number is 0. For Z, index number is 1. For Y, index number is 2. For M, index number is 3. For E, index number is 4. Like that up to R, index number is 8. So here we check the index number 4. What will be the result? We need to see the result of index number 4, and we have got the result as E. So that's the correct one. So let's do one more. Check string square brackets, inside square brackets give the value. I am now giving 1. Oh, 0. Let's check. Yes, the code run and we got the result as capital E. In our EzyMentor, here we can see 0 index number is for capital E, EzyMentor's E. Let's check once more. String square brackets, inside square brackets give 8. Then run the code. Yes, EzyMentor R. This is called string in Python. So next is we need to input string. For that, type the code x equals input, then open brackets and close brackets. Then just run the code and see what will happen. So now we have got a dialog box, a small box. Inside this we should give what we need to input into Python. So here I am giving input as EzyMentor is easy. So after giving the easy. So after giving this, we need to just click on enter. So the code run easily. So what happened here is we had written a code x equal to input of, and we have got a small dialog box. Inside that we input what we need to see. So we input that EzyMentor is easy and given enter. So the result shows that we got EzyMentor is easy. This is called input in Python. Let's do once more. Z equals input, open brackets, close brackets. Yes, I have given here hi all my viewers, and just run the code and see what will happen. Yes, here it is an error. We can't give values inside the brackets. So input means not giving values inside brackets. This I had done like this to show there is error also in Python. We know there is error. Inside coding there is always error can occur if we write a code. If there is small mistake, even though if there is small mistake, example a comma or a small space, that will occur into error. So for showing an error inside Python, I have run this code. So here it shows that this say invalid syntax and we need to run the code correctly. So remove this from here and click on enter. Now you will get a dialog box. Inside this dialog box you need to write write the string and just click on enter. Yes, the code ran and we got the output as hi all my viewers. Next is some of basic operations using string. For that we need to create a string. So I am creating a string as string equals here is there any mistake in my code? Do you find? Yes, there is a mistake. If we run this code, it will occur as an error because we have not given single quotes in this code. So single quotes is must in a string. or single quotes or double quotes is much in a string. So just run the code and see what will happen. Yes, now our code worked properly. So next we want to make all the letters to uppercase. Means what we have given as input as hi from EzyMentor, and we need to see all in uppercase. So to see all the string we have input in uppercase, just give the code string dot upper off and run the code and find what will be the result. We can see that hi from EzyMentor, everything is in uppercase. Just like this, we can lowercase all the input we had given. We want to make to lowercase. For that, write the code string dot lower brackets, open bracket, close bracket, and just run the code. You can see hi from EzyMentor. This is the method we can make caps and lower caps. Next is a code to return the string starting at index 2 until index 6 or until index 16. We can see what will be the result. For that, type the code string and in square brackets, inside square brackets, give 2 to 16. Then just run the code and see. Yes, we had got the result as I from EzyMentor. Here 2 is the value of I and 16 is the value of T, so that inside that both the result occur. So let us see one more example for this. String square brackets, inside square brackets give value as I want to see from 4 is to 18. Let us check what will be the result from EzyMentor. This is the code for returning the strings starting from index numbers this to this much. So let's wind up this section. Thank you all.